What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get ChatGPT Plus and all the latest ChatGPT features for free without paying a dime. Before we get into the video, please go ahead and throw me a like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. First thing is you want to head over to this website. It's called lmarena.ai. Here you'll be able to access all the free ChatGPT tools here, all the AIs from Gemini, etc. So all you need to do is go ahead and click direct chat, and you could type in whatever you want, like create a resume for me or a bank position. And here you'll see you'll have full access to ChatGPT-4, etc. 4.0, everything. Now another website you could use is called Merlin AI. Now Merlin AI is free to use, again, for free. You don't have to pay a dime. You can sign in, or you can keep it on guest mode. So here you can see, let's try another one. Create a paragraph about fish. Again, you'll have access to different AI tools on here. It's 100% for free. You don't have to pay a dime. Anyways, guys, if this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out.